Welcome to SiteOwl support. In this video, we will review how to create a device and add it to a plan. Please note, creating and managing devices is all done through the plan. Before we get started, note your navigation menu to the left side, which stays with you throughout the site and provides quick shortcuts to Dashboard, Sites, Service Tickets, Site Devices, Projects, and Project Devices. Click on the second icon of a building for sites. On the site page, expand the site and click on the building where the device should be created. This will take you to the building page where the default plan is showing. If you need to change this to a different plan, simply click your plan selector at the top and select your new value. You will need to edit the plan in order to create a new device, and you can do so by either hovering over the Devices section to the left or clicking the Edit button in the top right of the page. The plan shows it's in edit mode by outlining the floor plan in blue and changing the edit link to Cancel and Save buttons. To create a new device, you must first add it to your plan. On the left side in the Devices panel, you can expand and collapse system types to find the one you need. System types include favorites. These are selected by you. Video surveillance. These include cameras, microphones, monitors, etc. Access control, which can be card readers, door locks, intercoms. Intrusion detection, such as alarms, beam sensors, and motion detectors. Communications, like emergency phone towers, phone walls, and mass communication. Infrastructure, cables, routers, servers, wireless hubs, etc. And other, such as electrical panels, electrical work, programming, etc. For this example, we're going to select card readers. Once you have located the device type you wish to use for your new device, simply click on the device to drag and drop it to its new location on the plan. This device will show as a solid blue icon until it has been dropped. The system will change the icon to show which device type it is and name it based on the device type and how many other similar devices exist. The device section to the left will also update and allow you to add more details about your device. The first tab you see is called Device and includes the following fields. Please note all fields marked with a red asterisk are required. Your device name, which is required. This defaults as device type followed by a number, but can be changed. Your system type, which is the categories by which the device types are grouped. Device information, such as device type, part number, manufacturer, installation hours, which is how long installation of the device is estimated to take, who installed it, the date installed, your priority, and the device status. This defaults to operational, but can be changed to not working or operational with issue. And images, which will allow you to upload images of the device and or its physical location. The second tab is called Information and includes the following fields: serial number, IP address, MAC address, barcode, IP analog, interior or exterior, field of view. For cameras, allows for a field of view to be added to the plan as seen by a gray cone-shaped shadow, the height, which is at which height the device is located, IDF, MDF, your labor warranty expiration, device warranty expiration, description, and placement cost. Once you've completed entering all of the new device's details, click the Save link at the top right corner of the page to save your new device. Take a look around and let us know what you think. And welcome again to SiteOwl Support.